guys sing? Can you guys sing the rainbow song?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Don't forget there's purple too. Rainbow colors for me and you. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo, violet.
Supposed to have red for the outer rim of the rainbow, but we did pink. And our favorite part about making bread is hitting it. So hit it. Beat down the dough. Beat it up. Beat that dough up.
Eat it.
No, don't eat it. Did we make the rainbow pizza? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wolfie, are you gonna try? Are you gonna try the rainbow pizza? What about you, pretty girl? Do you like it? Yeah? So I'm wondering if everybody's mouth is gonna be blue or green from the food coloring. Very little food coloring, just like a drop.